Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are doing well. This is your English teacher and I welcome you all in the summary of today's Zoom online English class. Dear students, this is your June task. I hope you all have taken this task from the school, in which you have a portion of English which I want to discuss with you people. Now here you have 3 questions. Question number 1 is you are going to write an application to the principal for sick leave. Question number 2 is write a story on the moral greed is curse. And question number 3 is write the second and third form of the following verbs. Here you have verbs walk, make, think, drive. But you will write the first letter of these words in small, not in capital, right? You will write the first letter of these words in small, not in capital. How you will start the June task? In your notebooks, same as you did for a May task, you ready the title page for May task. In the same way, you are going to ready the title page for a June task. And then on the next page, you will write an application pattern first, which is your first question. But here you are going to ready the title page for an application pattern as like this. The first letter you should write in 2 lines, and the rest of the letters you will write in 1, right? But all the words must be capital, right? In the same way, you will write the pattern and then you will enclose these words in a frame. Then on the very next page, you will write only the pattern of this application. First, you will only write the pattern. Then on the next page, you will write the question and you will write the complete application with pattern. But first, only we will write the pattern. And how you will write the pattern? This is our way. First, you have a starting pattern in which you will write the principal. T of the and P of principal must be capital. T of the and P of principal must be capital, and you will highlight these 2 letters with marker. The rest of words you will write with pen. Only T and P of the and P of principal you will highlight and you will write in capital. And after this you will put comma because our address is started here. Now in the next line you will write Peshawar Model School. P of Peshawar, M of model and S of school must be capital because this is a specific name of the school, and you will give proper pencil gap between the words. Not more than a pencil, not less than a pencil. You must give pencil gap in the words. The first letter, again I am going to tell you, it must be in capital, and you will highlight these letters with marker P, M and S. Peshawar Model School. After this you will put comma. There are so many branches of Peshawar Model School, so we are going to write boys 2 over here because we are in boys 2. And this 2 you will write in Roman, not in Arabic numbers. ठीक है ना? आप लोगों ने रोमन में लिखना है, अरेबिक में नहीं लिखना. जो normal 1 2 3 जिस तरह हम लिखते हैं, you can't write like that. Now the address of the school is still incomplete here, so you will write Versak Road in next line. W of Versak and R of road must be capital because this is the specific name of the road, and you will highlight also these 2 words letters, only these 2 letters with marker. Then you will put comma, and after this you will write Peshawar. P of Peshawar must be capital, and after this you will put full stop. Our starting pattern is completed over here, or the school address is completed here, so you will put full stop at the end, after the Peshawar. Then in next line you will write the subject with pen. You will put colon sign, and the reason you will write with the marker. Is this clear to you? The subject you will write with pen and the reason you will write with a marker. Here you will write request for sick leave. How I have written leave, where I have written leave under this R. ठीक है ना? Because the leave is not coming in the same line. If the words are not coming in the same line, then you will write nothing under this subject. You will write nothing under this subject. You will write here under this R. And after this reason you will leave a line. After this reason you will leave a line, then you will write madam. Most respectfully, with due respect, with humble submission, it depends on you how you are going to start your application body. So you will write only the starting line and you will put the dots, and after this we have a second paragraph in which we are going to write therefore, and this there we start under this M. ठीक है ना? It will come beneath this M. Therefore, we will put comma, and therefore is one word. Therefore is one word, don't put the gap, right? And you will put comma, and then kindly. Now we are going to write application to the principal for sick leave, so you will write kindly grant me leave, but here this is only the pattern, so you are not writing here anything. You will just write the kindly, and then you will put the dots like this. Then thanking you, we are going to write in a center. If you will write under this F, it will be good. Thanking you, T of thanking must be capital, but Y of you should be small, and after this you will put comma. This now this is our ending pattern. Yours obediently, no apostrophe is here because this is a word, a pronoun. It's a pronoun, it's not a contraction. ठीक है ना, इधर हमने दो words को एक साथ नहीं मिलाया. It's not a contraction, it's a pronoun. Yours is a pronoun, so there is no apostrophe. Apostrophe किसको बोलते हैं? इस comma को बोलते हैं. ऊपर जो comma लगता है, it is not coming here. Yours obediently, Y of yours will be capital, and O of obediently should be small. After this you will put comma, then you will write your complete name, and then class, put colon sign, and then you will write your class and section. Class in Roman. Again, I'm going to tell you, you will write in Roman. Then dated, as today is 1st June, I have written like this, and you will follow the same pattern for a date. 1st June, comma 2021. This is your pattern of application, and then after this you will write the question, and you will start from the starting pattern, and you will write the complete application after this, and then you will do the story, which is question number 2, and question number 3 is second and third form of verb. For that you will make the proper columns for a first form of verb, second form of verb, and third form of verb. First form of verb is given here to you, and you will write the second and third form of these verbs. That was all about the June task. The June task you will do in your classwork copies. Now come towards today's topic. As we have completed our first unit, today we are going to start our second unit. For this you must have your books. It is on page number 9. Unit 2 is insect, inspect. Insects are small creatures, and inspects mean to examine something closely, to investigate something closely, to look closely, to observe something closely. So in this unit we will get the main facts about, or the major information about the insects, right? As you know, insects are in a large number. It's a large number of groups. We have a million and trillion insects here in the world. So the main information or the main facts about insect is that its body is divided into 3 parts. First of all, its body is divided into 3 parts. The first part is a head, the second part is a thorax, and the third part is an abdomen. The second part is a thorax. Thorax is a chest part, right? The middle part is हम बोलते हैं. It's a middle part, and it is a thorax, and the last part is an abdomen, that is a belly or tummy. The other information about insect is that they have a pair. This is pair. When we have two, same thing, we called it pair, right? So they have 3 pair of legs. Insects have 3 pairs of legs, and their body is divided into 3 main parts. This is the main information about insect. Some more information we have about insect is that they have antennae, right? Antennae act like feelers or detectors, and they have wings also. Some insects, not all the insects have wings, not all the insects have antennae. Some insects have antennae, some insects have wings also, right? They have one pair or 2 pair of wings, and some insects have antennae on their head. Now words meaning, these are some words meaning, difficult words and with meaning I have written here on the page. We will share the pages. Inspect, it's an action word. It means look at someone or something closely. Detectors is a noun. It means identifiers. Arachnids means wingless or without wings. Pests, annoying or troublesome. Pollen is a noun. These are the parts of speech I have mentioned for you. Pests are noun. It means annoying or troublesome. Pollen mean noun. The yellow powder found inside flower. Protect, verb to keep safe. Camouflage, protection, clothing. Environment is a noun also. It means surrounding. Nocturnal is an adjective. It means active at night. And the last word is avoid. It's a verb, action word, and it means stop or keep away from. Okay, now come towards the passage, right? Now for this you will open your books. On page number 9 we have this passage. comprehension passage that is about insect inspect. Now in the first paragraph, this information I have given to you, there are insects everywhere under the ground, in the air, and on plants and animals. The word insect means cut into sections, right? This word insect means cut into sections. Insects have three sections: the head, the thorax, as I told you, it's a middle part, or no, the chest, we can call the chest as well, and the last part is an abdomen, that is a tummy. They have 3 pairs of legs, and many insects have 2 pairs of wings also. Insects also have antennae, and antennae are like feelers or detectors attached to the insect's head, to the head of the insect. Okay, as you don't have this information that spiders are not insects. What is the reason? Here I have a picture of spider. It is not included in insects group, and what is the reason behind that? The main reason behind that is it has 4 pairs of legs. Now the insects have 3 pairs of legs, but the spiders have 4 pairs of legs, and it does not have wings. So it is not included in insects group, it is included in arachnids group, right? It's a group in our living thing, right? So it is included in, spiders are included in arachnids, they are not insects. Okay, most insects hatch from eggs. Most insects come out from eggs. Insects, as you know, they can walk, many can also fly, and some can even swim. Most insects live alone. If you can see, like which type of insects which are moving alone, like wasps, they are moving alone. Dragonflies, right? Ladybirds, such type, but some insects are very social and they live together and they move together, like wasp is जिसको हम जंबूरी बोलते हैं जो डसती है, right? Bees are honeybees, and ants, they live in groups or colonies, which are large groups that work together. Okay, people often think that all insects are pests, but actually they are not pests, they are useful as well. Pest means annoying, they are annoying us. They are not only annoying us, but they are very useful. How they are useful? 2 reasons are mentioned. The first is that they carry pollen from flower to flower, and the second reason is that they are an important source of food for some plants and other insects or animals. Now the last paragraph, or the last information about the insect, is that some insects have lovely colors. Right? Lovely mean they have beautiful colors. Others, such as moth, protect, mean they keep safe themselves by having the same color as their environment, means surrounding. As I told you, moth is jo patanga hota hai, parwana, which come out mostly in rainy weather at night time. Right? So they have a dull color, and because of that dull color, they are known as camouflage. Camouflage means protection or clothing, and helps them to avoid danger. Danger means risk, or avoid means they escape themselves, or they avoid danger because of their dull color. Now some basic information about insect is that ladybirds and butterflies are colorful, mean they are lively. Dragonflies, they are very colorful insects that are found in, on, or near water during the summers. Bees and wasps look quite alike. They look same, but only honeybees collect pollen to make honey. Bees, as you know, bees live in hives, and they have a queen as their leader. Ants, as I told you, ants are very social insects, and they live in colonies. They often move around in large groups and can appear through cracks in paths or walls. Where there are narrow openings, they come out from there. Moths are similar to butterflies, but they are nocturnal, means they are active at night, which means they come out at night. Their dull colors protect them because they are well camouflaged. Moths are attracted to light and can be annoying. Annoying means they are irritating us, especially when they come out at night and they fly to lights, towards the lights, and they fly around the light bulbs. It irritates us in our homes, right? Flies such as blue bottles. There is a dark blue shade, shiny body. They have a dark blue shiny body, the flies, right? They have a dark blue shiny body. So they are also known as blue bottles, are also unwelcome, unwanted in our homes, because they land on food, they rest on food. Okay, that was all about our today's lecture. Hope it is clear to you. We will meet again. Till then, Allah Hafiz.